everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. So today's video, I've been meaning to film this video for so long now, but I'm finally getting around to doing it today, and it is a Primark makeup video. So I'm going to be showing you the makeup that I bought from Primark, and I'm going to be creating like a look with it on my face. So I did a Primark haul, it must be like 3-4 weeks ago now, and I showed you some of the makeup that I bought. If you did want to go watch that, I'll link it in the description or like pop it up here or something. Yeah, so I bought some makeup from Primark and I've gone for quite glowy makeup. So what I'm going to try and do is like a glowy summer makeup look. So it'll be really good for like summer nights out or like festivals. So yeah, I'll show you some of the makeup that I got from Primark, and then I will take this makeup off and just get stuck in showing you what I do. I'm just going to crack straight on with it. I hope you do enjoy this video, and if you do enjoy it, I would love if you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well so you don't miss any of my other videos. Anyway, let's just get started. Okay, so this is what I've got. I've got a primer. So this is the coconut scented one. It's Sunset and Beam Coconut Primer Water, which I have been using that quite a lot, and it's really nice. It really refreshes your face. And then I've got a foundation. Oh, don't drop it. So this was £2.50, and it is a perfect finish foundation, medium to full coverage. I have been using this as well, and it is a really nice coverage actually, and this is a good colour for me. So this colour is nude. I got this mascara as well. This is called Queen. That was £3, this mascara, but it is a really good one. It really does make your eyelashes look longer. Oh, whilst we're on eyelashes, I've got an eyelash curler, which if I'm honest, I've not been using that much since I bought it. But I will use it today and see if it makes a massive difference or not. Another thing I got was this eyelash palette. It's a bit smashed. So this is called Amber Passion, and it's really like kind of glowy, summery colours, which is why I got it. And that was £3. And then I got this bronzer. So this is really like shimmery, but I love it. I've been putting that on my cheeks as like a highlighter, and on my chest as well. That was £3.50. And then I got this glowy thing. So it's illuminating body glow. So that's nice for like on your shoulders and on your chest as well. That was £4. And then I got this nude lipstick. So this is a matte lipstick. That was £1.50. It is really nude, like it's a very nude colour. But I think for this look, that will look quite nice. And then the last thing that I got that I'm going to use is this Glow Intensity. So it's a shimmering setting spray. So that looks nice. It's like if you spray that on your chest, or you could spray that anywhere really, like on your arms or legs or whatever. But I think it is meant for your face. So I'll use that to set everything after. I'm going to take this makeup off and then just get started as I normally would. I'm going to just try and use the Primark stuff. But obviously for like putting it on, I'm going to use my foundation brush, my bronzer brush, which I'll show you what they are. So let's get this makeup off. Usually when I take my makeup off, I do use like cleansing stuff and moisturiser. Like I've got a proper skincare routine, but for this video I am just using the face wipes. Please don't judge me for that. I could do a skincare routine video. I have done one before, but I've got some really lovely stuff lately. Like this face mask is so nice. I've got some really nice like moisturisers and stuff. But if you're interested in seeing my skincare routine, then just let me know, because I would be happy to do that. What I'd usually do is put like an oil on my face as well, just so it's like nice and moist for the makeup. So the first thing I'm going to use is this primer water. I'm just going to spray that all over my face. It makes it really wet and get a wet face. It smells really good as well. I can't remember exactly how much this was now, but it's in my other video I put how much it was. I think it's probably like £3. Right, so now my face is primed, I'm going to use this foundation. So this is in the colour Nude, but as I said, I'm going to start buying a really light shade of foundation, a really dark shade, so then I can put it on my hand and mix kind of the colour that I want, because sometimes I'll put fake tan on and I'll need a darker colour, then other times I'm a bit more pastier, I'll need a lighter colour. Sometimes I just use my hands, which actually, that is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to use my hands today, because it just seems to go on a bit better with your hands. I think it's like the heat from your hands helps it blend better. And then I'll blend it with that brush after. Very clumsy. Okay, let's get this on. I got my hair dye today, so I've got a little bit of hair dye on my head. I went for a bit of a darker route. Okay, so that is the foundation. I'm just going to blend it in with this brush. It's a really nice foundation. I do feel like it's got a really good coverage. Quite good at covering spots up. I'm a bit hormonal at the minute, so I've had a bit of a breakout around my chin, but it does cover them up quite nicely. I know I'm only doing Primark makeup today, but the other foundation that I love, which has a really good coverage, is this all my makeup's really dirty, but it's the B Cosmetics range. They sell that in Superdrug, and it has a really like thick coverage if that's what you like. So on my extra hormonal days where I'm spotty, I like that. It kind of masks every little blemish. I normally do as well, if I want to a bit more coverage, I will dab some extra under my eyes. I do suffer with bags, like with dark circles around my eyes, so sometimes I just need that extra little bit around there, which I know is what concealer is for, but I didn't buy concealer from Primark, so I'm trying to stick to just Primark makeup today. So I'm just going to use the foundation. It works just as well, to be honest. Okay, so I think we're all good for the face. So that is a good covered face now. So next I'm going to do eyeshadow, and I'm using the Amber Passion set, which has just got loads of really kind of summery glowy colours. I think today I'm going to go for a mixture of the golden brown texture like sun, because I want to go for that. I've said it lots of times, I want to go for that glowy look. So they are called Aura and Glory. You have to say it in that accent. As I've said, I am not a makeup artist at all. Like I'm not even on a scale of like, I'm not even good at doing makeup basically. So you're probably, if you do like applying makeup and you are good at it, you're probably looking at me thinking, what are you doing? But this is just for like the basic people out there that just like to slap it on their face and it's to still look nice. I'm hoping it will still look nice. But yeah, the reason I said that is because I'm just using any old brush. I will use two different ones, I won't use the same one, but I've just got loads of random brushes here. I'm going to use this one, the So Eco one, and then I think I'm going to use this Urban Decay one. I've not got a plan for the eyeshadow, I'm just going to put it on and see what happens. I'm going to start with the gold, and then I'm going to put the brown in the crease. Wish me luck. So I've done the gold, it's really nice, like it's really come out shimmery, and now what I'm going to do is just dab like the top of the brush on the brown one and just go in the crease to give it kind of like a smoky look. I'm really not very good at eyeshadow, so I literally just make it up. It always looks alright though. It could look better. If I knew what I was doing, I could make it look better, obviously, like anything, but I don't know what I'm doing, so it just looks alright. And now I just want to blend it a bit. So that will do for the eyeshadow. I don't really like too much crazy eyeshadow, so I'm not actually going to do anything with my eyebrows because I've got them done recently. Like I've had them tinted, so I don't really need anything else on them. The next thing I'm going to do is a bit of bronzer, and then it will be mascara time. That's when it will hopefully come together a bit when I do the mascara. But first, let's try this out. Sorry if you're squeamish, you might not want to look. Squeamish, is that the word? Sounds weird. I don't know what I'm doing. Anything could be happening. Have I even got it? I don't know if there's any eyelashes in there at all. That'll do. I don't know if it made any difference. So next I'm going to use this highlighter. It's golden highlighter. So first I usually put it on my chest for a little bit of a glow, but then I've also got this as well. I actually put that on my chest first and then the other one. Let's see what this comes out like. It's a little bit, when I've used it before, it's been a little bit sticky, so I'm going to put it on this mitt here. So that is right, golden. Oh, we've really got to work this in. Yeah, this would look really nice on like a summer's night, yeah, like on your shoulders. Oh, it's nice, like look at the difference there already. It's nice. I might actually put a bit more on. That's the thing, because it's so sticky, it kind of just goes in one place and it's hard to rub in. Maybe this would be nice mixed in with like a moisturiser. That would probably be really nice, and it would work in a lot nicer then. Oh, so yeah, that does look really nice actually. It smells nice as well. It smells a little bit like chocolate, like caramel chocolate. That's what it smells like. I am shimmering. Right, now I need to do my face. What I normally do, sometimes I've been embarrassed saying what I normally do because I know There's judgmental people out there and they will be thinking, you were just doing it all wrong. But as long as it looks nice in the end, I just don't feel like it matters how you got there. And then with the leftovers that I've got on it, I'm just going to dab it on my face to give the face a bit of a colour. Okay, and then I'm going to use it as a highlighter on my cheekbones and on the top of my head. I think when you put it on top of your head, it gives the illusion that your forehead's smaller. Is that why people do it? That's why I do it. Because I've got a big span. Eyes. I should do eyes. Let's do some mascara, because that is when it's going to come together when I do mascara. This is a really good mascara as well. It's very dramatic. Like that, it's this brush as well. It's like a thick brush. I hate the thin little brushes. What's the point of them? I guess it's if you want more of that natural look. But who wants that? This is a video of me just going for it. Because I mean, I'm using the viewfinder. I'm not even using a mirror. That's how much I'm going for it. Who can keep their mouth open when they do mascara? Is that impossible? Okay, so I'm just going to finish off doing that in the mirror and then I'll show you. How good is that? Like, it really makes them look longer. I didn't get any eyeliner from Primark, but what I would normally do is just put either on the top bit of my eye, but I don't feel like I need it anyway today, so I'm not going to bother using it. So the only thing I've got left to do is lipstick. I didn't get a lip liner from Primark, so I'm going to have to go without a lip liner today. If I'm honest, I'm not a massive fan of the lipstick. Like, I already don't have big lips, so I think that nude lipstick is just making me look like I have no lips at all. It would look better with lip liner. I'm just going to use lip liner, I'm sorry. And what I'm going to do is just put a little bit of lip balm over the top to give them a bit of moisture, because it's a little bit dry after putting that on. My summer glowy look is done. Let's take the hair down. Glowy look is done. So that is it. That is my Primark makeup look. Overall, I'm happy with the Primark makeup. I think it's really good quality. A lot of the stuff is really reasonably priced and is actually good. My favourite things are this coconut primer water. That is just really nice, because even if I'm not putting makeup on, I will just spray that on my face and it just makes it feel like nice and fresh. Another thing I love is the mascara. I think that is amazing. Like, it really does add volume and length. It does what it says. Oh, what did I forget to do? I forgot to put my glow intensity on. The only thing with this glow spray is that when you spray it on, I don't know if you can see, but it gives you like little wet patch dots, so I kind of have to dab them in sometimes. Oh, look, see, look at that shimmer. I would also recommend the foundation. I think that's really nice, just as long as you get the right colour. It's £2.50 as well. Like, it's just a bargain. And I like the eyeshadow palette, but to be honest, I think the only colours I'm probably going to use are them two, maybe the pinky one, and then maybe this pale one. I'm probably not going to use the orange ones. Just don't like that look on me. And the highlighter is amazing. Not sure about the lipstick, just for me, like the colour. And also the texture of it, like, it was very sticky and hard to put on. So maybe not so much the lipstick. But this is also very nice, smells good, nice glowy colour. I don't know what the point of this is. Like, it did give me a little bit of a glow, but I feel like you don't need both of them. Just one is probably enough. This acts as a setting spray as well, so I suppose it's quite good for that, just setting your makeup. Better than using hairspray. Did anyone else used to do that? Back in the day, I would spray hairspray on my face to set my makeup. Crazy. So anyway, that is the end of the video. I hope you did enjoy it, and if you did, I'd love if you give it a thumbs up and stick around and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.